everyone, welcome back to my channel. This video is incredibly overdue because I want to talk about how much money I made in my first month being monetized on YouTube. I got monetized on November 28th of 2023, and we are now February 13th of 2025. So, I should have done this a while ago, but you know what? Life happens, whatever. Now, I want to preface this by saying that this video is going to be, should I say realistic? Because I know when you watch all these videos of like how much I made in my first month, sometimes they're like, I made $5,000, and you're like, that must be nice. Because my numbers are nowhere near close, but I think it's important to show that side as well. So, a little background. I started this YouTube channel in 2022. Well, I started it before, but I didn't really post anything, but I started posting consistently in 2022. And then I got monetized on November 28th of 2023. Now, for those of you who don't know, being monetized means you just make money from ads and other things, but mostly ads. So in order to qualify, you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch time hours within a calendar or within a year. It doesn't necessarily have to be within a calendar year, but within like 12 months. I know there are different qualifications for shorts. I'm not exactly sure what those are right now, but I'll put them on the screen here. So if you weren't looking to do long form content, you'll know how to be monetized anyway. So it took me a little bit over a year to be monetized, which I feel incredibly lucky for because it's not that easy, but it is possible. Okay, so I know this is what we all want to know. How much did I make in my first month? Well, let's get into it, okay? So from November 28th to, we'll do December 28th because then that's like a full month. So drum roll please. My very My very exciting first month of YouTube brought in $24.38. Yay! Like I said, I know we watch all of these videos that are like, oh my god, I made $500 in my first month. We're not all gonna make that much. I made $24.38, and guess what? I didn't get to even have that $24.38 because they don't even give you your money until you reach $100. So I just got to see that number and be like, okay, well, it's my first month. I made $24.38. Let's keep going. And I know that amount of money seems like pocket change, but considering that I wasn't even making any money before, that's an extra $24.38 that I didn't have, you know? So when I saw it, I was like, I thought it was kind of funny because, you know, you see all these videos, but then I was also like, hey, that's pretty cool because, you know, I made that money based off of things that I had already made and that I don't have to make again. So definitely like a really cool feeling. And I feel like being on YouTube was something that I have wanted to do for ages, but I was just always too self-conscious or I didn't know what to post. So to see my first month be over $20, that was actually really exciting for me. And also the fact that I hadn't even been posting on YouTube, you know, for much over a year, and I was already gaining something from it. That was also a really nice feeling. Now that we know I made $24, how did I get monetized? Because a little over a year, I think it was like a year and 2 months, obviously isn't a lot of time. Like that seems pretty quick. How did I do it? Honestly, I don't know. I do think that it helped that I was cranking videos out as much as I possibly could because I wanted to share my journey, and I think that, you know, when you niche down quite a bit, I think that does help. But also, I think it helped that I was creating content that could help other people. Like, yes, vlogs are fun. We want to see the behind the scenes, but I think it's also important to create content that can teach people. You know, maybe now you guys would want to vlog. I don't know, but I've always thought that, it's when you're starting out, it's helpful to, help others, kind of give back, and then people want to give back to you. So, yeah, there you have it. My big ol' whopping check of $20, which I'm actually quite proud of. Is it $500? No. Who's to say that I'm never going to get to that point? We all start somewhere. And I think that's maybe why I made this video, because I don't want, okay, I'll be honest. When I saw $24, I was like, that's it. Because I think when we watch videos where people are like, oh my God, I made like even $100 or like $500. I saw one where they're like, I made $5,000. Oh, like, yeah, we can all dream. But I think it's important to show that, like, hey, not everyone gets that their first month. It doesn't mean we'll never get there, but the majority of us will not get that our first month. Okay, after this, I'm going to make a video about how much I made in a full year, because I feel like once I got monetized, I just stopped making videos. But life got in the way, and I just didn't have the capacity to make videos. But I still, because I'm monetized now, I made money. So I think it'd be fun to do a video of how much money you could potentially make in a year or so without really posting anything, just to show you that, like, you can still make money if you're not posting anything, and to maybe hopefully take that pressure off of you. So yeah, look forward to that one coming at some point. Okay, this is fun. Glad to see you again. If you're not subscribed, feel free to subscribe. Yeah, okay. I will see you in the next one. Bye.